This is one excellent shoulder workout at home on a stool with a couple of light dumbbells. No excuses for not having great shoulders, guys. Hey everybody, you know, most people think that you need a gym membership or heavy weights in order to build really good, rounded, massive shoulders, especially at our age, after 50. That's not true at all. And today I'm going to show you how to build strong, wide shoulders at home, not in the gym, sitting on a simple stool with nothing more than some light dumbbells. So stick with me because these 3 moves will light your shoulders on fire, that I can guarantee you. Shoulders are what give your upper body that wide, powerful look. And here's the good news. You don't need 50-pound dumbbells to make this happen. In fact, with lightweight and good form, these exercises will hit every part of your shoulders. So let's jump into the first one. The first exercise I want to show you is a seated Arnold press. So even with light dumbbells, this is going to work your front and side delts together, and it keeps your shoulders mobile. Go for 10 to 12 slow controlled reps. Maybe you could do as many as 14 or 15, but when you do this, you just want to make sure that you're not using too heavy of a weight, because this exercise is going to light your shoulders up. And by the way, guys, you might want to do a few arm circles anytime before you start doing shoulder exercises, okay? I think it's good to just do a few arm raises, arm circles, just to kind of warm them up just a little bit. I don't believe in doing a lot of stretching before I work out, but in this case, that would be a good thing to do. So let me show you real quick, okay? Now, look, guys, I'm using 15-pound dumbbells to show you these exercises. I'm not going to change dumbbells. Now, typically on an Arnold press, I do go heavier, okay? But still, I don't do anything crazy heavy. Now, remember, you're seated. So when you're seated like this, you're going to make sure you keep that back straight, okay? So you want to keep your shoulders back, and you want to keep that back up straight. You don't want to slump over like this. So be careful about that. So pay attention to that. Hold your weights right here, and you want to rotate up. And then when you come back down, you're going to rotate back in, okay? And again, slow, controlled movements. You don't want to go crazy. You don't want to go doing any of this. You want to feel the exercise. You want to feel it in your shoulders. You want to feel those delts fire up. And so when you do this, don't go all out here. Don't go all in here. Don't bring the weights in together. You're not doing that. You want to go straight up, and you want to rotate. Rotate out, rotate in. Rotate out, rotate in, rotate out, rotate back in. And again, you don't have to do this to failure. And you don't have to do drop sets on shoulders necessarily, like I like to do on a lot of exercises. But I do recommend a nice little warm-up set and maybe 2 good working sets. I'm feeling the burn right now, guys. I'm already feeling the burn just from holding the weights, talking to you, and then starting to raise them. My shoulders are lighting up, okay? Excellent, excellent exercise. Okay, next up, guys, is going to be the seated side lateral raise. Now, in this case, you want your back straight, but you want to bend slightly forward, okay? And not only that, you want to make sure that there's a slight bend in the elbows, all right? You're going to raise straight out until you're at shoulder height, and then you're going to lower back down. Again, I'm using 15-pounders here. Don't shrug. Keep the tension right on your delts at all times. Lightweight is perfect here because it forces you to control the motion. So aim again for 12 to 15 reps, and I promise you, your shoulders will be on fire. My back is straight. I've got a slight lean forward. I've got a bend in my elbows, and I'm coming up. I'm coming up. What I'm doing is almost a neutral grip, what you see right here. So when I'm seated and I'm doing these, I'm doing a neutral grip. If I were to stand, or if I were to bend over and change this workout slightly and bring the weights under my legs, then I would go more with a lead of the pinky. But in this case, you don't want to do that. You don't want any swinging or momentum. You just want a bend, a slight lean forward, and you just want to bring the weights up and back down, bring the weights up and back down. And you're going to do this for good working sets of maybe 2, and just have one that's a warm-up. Now with your warm-up, you could grab some really light weights, or something else you can do is you can grab a little 5-pound or 2.5-pound plate, the open plates, weight plates, and you can just take those on each side, and you can do a warm-up set to open using those light 2.5 or 5-pound weighted plates. Okay, they have to have the holes in them so that you can grab them, which is typically what most of my plates have. Now this is my finisher move, guys. This is an awesome shoulder move. There's several names for it. I call it the seated 6-point raise. This is a complete shoulder complex, okay? So here's how it works with your light dumbbells, all right? You definitely want to go light here. All right, so what you want to do, guys, back straight. You want to make sure you've got your lumbar straight, okay? Don't be slumped over. Shoulders back. Light weights, in this case, 15 pounds. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1 rep, all right? In this particular exercise, you can do 8 to 10 reps. I don't think you'll get 15 out of it. Some of you might. I would say a good 8 to 10. You don't have to do 15-pound dumbbells. You can go with, say, 10-pound dumbbells and just build your way into it that way. But most likely, 2 sets is all you're going to really need on this thing. You can do a little warm-up again with some really, really light weights, and then give yourself 2 good working sets. But you're not going to find yourself doing much more than 10 or 12 reps. Especially on that last set, that last working set, you're not going to get more than 10 most likely, okay? Let me just show you a couple, okay? You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just completed a rep. Guys, I'm telling you, my shoulders are on fire right now, and I didn't even do a complete set of each. Again, 6 to 8 reps on this last exercise is probably going to do you in, at least on that last set. Don't worry about failure on these. Don't worry about drop sets on these. Just do it, and do it the way I've showed you. You want to rest 60 to 90 seconds, then repeat. And you want to do this, like I told you, for a couple of good working sets. And this is one excellent shoulder workout at home on a stool with a couple of light dumbbells. No excuses for not having great shoulders, guys. So remember, you don't need heavy weights to build muscle. You need smart training, control, consistency. Try this workout. Let me know in the comments how this 6-point raise felt for you if you've never done it. And if you want more joint-friendly workouts for men over 50, hit subscribe. And don't forget my joint-friendly muscle building blueprint that's available. You can get that in my store right now, and you can do a quick download on that. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Go get them shoulders built.